Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. We are here in Florence and we're coming back to this restaurant because it was so good. It is called, I have to look at the map, Fuoco Matto. You can see they deal in meat. And I have to tell you, I had one of the best pizzas I've ever had. So they're showing us to our table now. There is the pizza oven and it is glorious because, oh my gosh. I had pizza yesterday, it had duja and burrata on it, and gosh darn it, I might have it again today. Ciao! Here's our beautiful waiter, he's Calabrese. Siete Calabrese? Sì, sì.
Sono Luigi, benvenuti al Fuoco Matto.
Ah, grazie mille. Ok, so Antonello, che hai ordinato? Questo è una pizza? O?
Pizza alla silana.
Ah, ok. It looks amazing, it's like a panino. Una pizza come
Una specie di ciambella imbottita.
Sì, sì, bello, bello. E adesso abbiamo margarita, perfetta. And I have duja and burrata. These are the best pizzas I've ever had. Sorry, that's true. Anyway, if you want to come and have the best pizza ever, you have to come to Fuoco Matto in Firenze. See you guys.